In this video, let's learn how to solve for y in 3y, 3 to the power of y plus 3 to the power of y equal to 12. Hello, welcome. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share with friends and colleagues, and remember to subscribe to my channel for more simplified mathematics content. Now, to find the value of y in this nice exponential equation, the first step we're going to take, although there are also various other ways through which you can solve this. So the first step I'm going to take is to take the common values between 3 to the power of y. And we can see that 3 to the power of y is 2 over here. So that can give me 3 to the power of y multiplied by 2, and this will be equal to 12. Now recall, this is same as me bringing out 3 to the power of y multiplied by 1 plus 1. So if I bring it out this way, so the next thing I'm going to do in the next step is to divide both sides by 2. If I divide both sides by 2, I'm going to have 2 clearing 2, and then I'll have 3 to the power of y equal to 12 divided by 2 is going to give me 6. Great. So in the next step, we're going to look for how we'll simplify that. Now we have 3 to the power of y and 6 to the power of 1. Now 6, can 6 give me a value in which I'll have 3 to the power? No, 3 to the power of 2 will be equal to 9. So that means I can't solve this using a common base. So the best method to solve this is to use the laws of logarithm. So you either use the natural log of logarithm or use the normal logarithm. So let's look at using the natural log of logarithm. We're going to take the natural log of both sides. That is the in of 3 to the power of y equal to the in of 6. So if we have this, according to the laws of indices, this logarithm, this will come over here to give us y multiplied by in of 3, and this will be equal to the in of 6. So having seen this, we're going to divide both sides by the in of 3. If we divide here by the in of 3, and then we'll divide here by the in of 3. So from here, the in of 3 will clear the in of 3, and then we'll have the value of our y to be equal to in of, I'll expatiate this to give me 2 multiplied by 3, which is also 6. That will be divided by the in of 2. Now, according to the laws of logarithm, natural logarithm, I can expand that because the in of a multiplied by b can be equal to in of a plus in of b. So what do I have? I'll have the value of my y to be equal to the in of 2 plus the in of 3, and this will be divided by the in of 3 divided by the in of 3. So from here you see that this will clear this, and then what I will be left with is y will be equal to the in of 2 divided by the in of 3, and this will be plus 1. Great. So in the next stage, what we are going to do is to find the natural logarithm of 2 and the natural logarithm of 3. Now this is going to give us the natural logarithm of 3 if I of 2 if I punch my calculator is going to give me 0.6691, yeah, according to my calculator, divided by the natural logarithm of 3 is going to give me 1.0986 according to my calculator, and this will be plus 1. So the value of y will be equal to 0.6931 divided by 1.0986 is going to give me 0.6309, and this will be plus 1, and that will be the value of y. So the value of y will be equal to 1.6309, and that is the value of y. So we can simply check to see if this solution is absolutely right. So what we are going to do is to insert the value of y equal to 1.6309 into the original equation for the value of y and see if the result is going to give us 12. Let's try to see if that will give us 12. If we do that, will that give us 12? Now let's see. We have the original equation as 3 to the power of y plus 3 to the power of y. Will it give us 12? So we have this to become 3 to the power of 1.6309 plus 3 to the power of 1.6309. So 3 to the power of 1.6309 is going to give us 5.998 plus 5.998. So if we add this, we're going to have this to become 11 points. This is going to give me 16. So that will give me 11.999996. And when we approximate this can be approximately 12. So you see the value of our y equal to 1.6309 is a solution that uh, match the question that is given to us up there. So you see, solving a question like this can be very, very easy. Thanks so much for watching. If you find value watching this math solution, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with friends and colleagues, and remember to subscribe to my channel for more simplified mathematics content. Thanks so much for watching, and bye bye for now.